What is cause and effect? Cause and effect are linked together to make up a causation that explains why actions, events, attitudes, and conditions happen. These causations can show historical events, natural happenings, and the actions of individuals and groups. Single causes can have multiple effects. Also, several causes can make to produce one effect. Organizing a multiple effect single cause or a multiple cause single effect writing should first be identified the single and layering out all the multiple causes or effects after in the body. Discussion of the effect follows the presentation of causes or vice versa. Let's say, for example, someone has bad management skills and forgets to do a homework assignment for one day. These poor management skills of your work will show an effect on not getting tasks done on time. Bad management skills is the cause that leads to the effects of unorganizations or procrastination, late assignments, and not planning ahead. A common and easy way to look at cause and effect is the domino effect. Think of starting with a cause domino and knocking that over, leading to the next domino that is an effect, that is then made either to knock another effect down or attract or start another cause. Some causes and effects situations have a lot more dominoes being knocked down. Process analyses are concerned with how the events occur and asking why the cause or effect happened. Incidents can have a multiple cause, multiple effects also. Many events of causes of the particular situation can be brought together into making multiple causes. Then all of these causes lead to multiple effects afterwards. Most of the time there is more than one cause to a story that leads to effects. Numerous other factors can play important parts to why something happened. One event may cause the next, but before you record your conclusion, make sure you did not deal with the wrong chronological order that caused the outcome. Some causes and effects are already known of what will happen and some are unpredictable. When you are writing cause and effect papers, create ethical responsibilities with these questions. Have I tried to uncover all of the causes that might result in a particular outcome? So try not to overlook such factors that could be reasoning for the causes or effects. You need to weigh all the conclusions and information to bring in a generalization of how the outcome could have came about. If you want to emphasize something, then you need to include all of the small details in your essay to make it reliable. Plan and draft your analysis of your topic you want to write about. Personal experience might suggest an easier way to describe in your own words of the writing. When looking for a topic, ask yourself if the topic you choose will interest your target audience and what the purpose is toward your message. Next, in your decision making, you need to find if you want to focus on causes, effects, or both. Signal your intentions from causes by using words like cause, reason, or stem from. You can also attract attention to an effect from words like effect, fallout, or impact. Discuss the main cause first and then support it with your roles of the rest of your body. Bringing into the fact of remembering to weigh each carefully and ranking them of importance. Try to remember that you are not listing causes and effects, but showing the connection between both. Now, in your strategies for successful writing book, if you go to page 178, you can pause the video now and read the sample for the student essay of cause and effect. It is about why students drop out of college by Diane Fisher. Now that you have looked over that sample essay, the first discussion question. Identify the thesis statement in this essay. So as it shows when you read it, about how some students will go further than others because of them being more agile to the college life. Next, the causal chain that makes up in paragraph 2. It shows a cause and effect relationship because of how some will get a better education because of their hard work and dedication in college. Next, what is the function of the first sentence in paragraph 3? It shows that on that sentence that poor study habits have shown in high school and continue all the way to college if started badly in high school. Next, in which paragraphs does the writer discuss causes and effects? In paragraph 4, as an example, it shows that students that lack the commitment to do well then have the effect of shrugging off assigned papers, skipping classes, and avoiding to do required reading. So now discuss those by yourself and think about the discussion questions asked. We will now review all what we have talked about through this session. You're going to plan, which is identify a topic based on an assignment or personal interest and think of a target audience. Next, brainstorm. Test your causes and effects to observe and conduct research to then provide evidence to claim an appropriate pattern to use throughout your writing. An outline. Create an organized plan to focus on the pattern of cause and effects that provides detail. Start your rough draft. Have an introduction, bodies, and conclusion that have your reason for your analysis focusing on connections and details of your causes and effects. Have an ending to grasp the importance of the causes and effects discussed. Next, revise. Evaluate accuracy of the purpose, facts, and patterns used to make it ethical and clear to the reader. Finally, finish and wrap up on getting it to look and sound professional to take and show to the readers and the audience by proofreading their work.